Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your engine air filter. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and cool. You'll need a new air filter and possibly a screwdriver, depending on your car model. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your engine's breathing, leading to better fuel economy and overall performance. It's a quick and easy way to keep your car running smoothly. Now, let's locate the air filter housing. It's usually a large black box situated on top or to the side of your engine. You'll see clips or screws holding the cover in place. Carefully unclip or unscrew these fasteners. Once open, gently lift out the old, dirty air filter. Take note of its orientation for proper installation of the new one. With the old filter removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully place the fresh air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and correctly oriented. Double-check that there are no gaps around the edges. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover by securing all the clips or screws you removed earlier. Ensure it's tightly sealed. Replacing your engine air filter regularly is crucial for maintaining engine health and efficiency. A clean filter ensures your engine gets plenty of clean air, preventing wear and tear. Aim to replace it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.